Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2014 Nissan Rogue S. This one's gray. Underneath here it's a 2.5 4-cylinder with 170 horsepower and 175 pounds of torque. This one has 17-inch wheels. A dark cloth interior. Rogue all-wheel drive badging. Open up the tailgate. A clean set of all-season and regular floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Power windows. Steering wheel controls. Media display. Rear view backup camera. Climate controls, auxiliary and USB ports, automatic transmission. This Rogue has 76,476 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2014 Nissan Rogue S, visit us at feldmannimports.com.